If you want mechanical confidence and speed in a full-size SUV, the Expedition Tremor nailed it. If efficiency is your top priority, the Sequoia Hybrid deserves a serious look. The base price of the Tremor starts at $81,350, and this one, as tested, comes in at $86,695. In the Expedition lineup, the Tremor sits above the Limited and below the King Ranch and Platinum. Under the hood is Ford's high output 3.5 liter twin turbo EcoBoost V6. And this isn't the standard tune, this is the upgraded version that produces 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. Now, I told you guys this was quick at the beginning, and the 0 to 60 is between 5.5 and 6 seconds, so under 6 seconds, but we're at about 40. We're gonna accelerate up to 60 so you can see how well this actually does accelerate. So here we go, foot to the floor. There's 60. Matter of seconds. It is amazing. This high output 3.5 liter V6 is a beast. And it's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission with 4-wheel drive. And in the Tremor, you also get that 373 electronic locking rear differential and 2-speed transfer case. This twin turbo V6 feels strong, and it feels strong all the way through the RPM range. And the torque comes on so early at low RPMs that you don't have any problems accelerating onto the highway or passing someone if you need to pass them at highway speeds. Now, for its size, it's quick, like we talked about. It's under 6 seconds, 0 to 60. And that's all great, but if you're not used to it at lower speeds, when you hit that accelerator, it will kind of give you that speed fairly abruptly. So you might get a little whiplash when you hit that accelerator. Towing is going to come in right around 9,200 pounds when properly equipped, which puts this right in line with the top of the segment. When you're towing or driving in bad weather, the Tremor just is really stable. It gives you this really good sense of security when you're driving. And if you decide to go a little off-road, or you decide you want to tackle some really heavy snow, the 4-wheel drive system and the locking rear differential really gives you that peace of mind. But if you never leave the pavement or tow heavy loads, then you're basically paying for a lot of extra hardware that you may never fully use. For those who want to know, fuel economy is going to come in at 18 miles per gallon combined, with 15 in the city and 22 out on the highway. Now, you're not buying this Expedition for fuel savings. You're buying it for power, towing strength, and winter capabilities. If maximum efficiency is your priority, then go check out the Sequoia Hybrid. But if capability is the priority, this fuel economy is just simply part of the trade-off. So when you line up the Expedition Tremor against the Chevy Tahoe Z71 with the 5.3 liter V8, the difference in power is noticeable. The Tahoe makes 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque, while the Tremor puts out 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. That extra torque shows up immediately in acceleration and towing power. The Tahoe does offer slightly better highway fuel economy, but it simply doesn't have the same strength under load. Against the Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro, the picture is a little bit different. The Sequoia's hybrid system makes 437 horsepower, which is really good, and delivers much better fuel economy overall. If miles per gallon is your priority, the Sequoia wins in that department. But the Tremor offers a more traditional turbo V6 power delivery and better cargo flexibility, especially behind the third row. It also feels more mechanical and less tech dependent on how it delivers the performance. Then there's the Jeep Wagoneer Series II with its 420 horsepower Hurricane inline-6 engine. The Wagoneer leans more towards interior comfort and upscale feel, while the Tremor leans harder into off-road hardware and capability. If you want a more luxurious presence, the Wagoneer makes sense. If you want more trail-ready hardware and stronger torque output, the Tremor wins hands down. Now for the OSR vehicle rating, and the biggest strength of the Expedition Tremor is its powertrain. The high output twin turbo V6 feels strong and confident in every situation. The off-road hardware is real, not cosmetic, and the updated tech interface is one of the best in the segment. The trade-offs are pretty clear. Fuel economy isn't impressive, its size can feel overwhelming in tight city spaces, and the interior, while it looks great, doesn't quite match the highest luxury trims in the class.